Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, 30 class. How are you all, beta? Students, let's start our short story number 2. That is Rebecca's daughter, and we have reached almost at the climax of the story. So let's start our today's lesson. Okay, beta, page number 30, half of page number 30. Nor are there any, replied Giovanni. You remember that in the previous lecture I told you that Professor Baglioni, he came to visit to Giovanni. Okay? So here there is a conversation between Giovanni and Professor Baglioni is continuing. Nor are there any, replied Giovanni, who had turned pale as the professor spoke. Nor, I think, is there any smell except in your worship's imagination. कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे तो कोई जो है वो स्मेल नहीं है, ठीक है, कोई स्मेल नहीं है, बस आपको जो है वो आपकी इमेजिनेशन है. Our worshipful friend Ripexini, as I have heard, uses such rich smells in his medicines. Now these are the words of Professor Baglioni, that I heard that Dr. Ripexini, he had used smells like this in his medicines. Doubtless, without any doubt, likewise the fair and learned Signora Beatrice would give to her patients drinks as sweet as a maiden's breath. But alas for him that drinks them. Now he's saying that Beatrice, she also used to give such types of drinks to the people, to the youth, to the young persons who came to meet her. And he's saying that, but alas for him that drinks them. कि उस शख्स के लिए alas, I mean to say कि अफसोस है, pity है उस शख्स के लिए who drank them. Giovanni's face showed many emotions. He tried hard to reply to Baglioni with a true lover's perfect face. अब जियोनी का जो फेस था, it was changing its expressions, ठीक है, उसके बहुत सारे इमोशन जो थे बेटा वो सामने आ रहे थे. And he tried hard to reply to Baglioni with a true lover's perfect, mean to say कि he wanted to defend Beatrice, ठीक है. So he's saying that, Signor Professor, said he, you were my father's friend. Perhaps too it is your purpose to act a friendly part towards his son. I would feel nothing towards you save respect, but I pray you to observe, Signor, that there is one subject on which we must not speak. You do not know the Signora Beatrice. Now he had said that you are my father's old friend, and due to this it's my duty to pay respect to you, ठीक है. But I want to say you that please, we don't need to talk about those things that you don't know, ठीक है, कि तुम साइनोरा बीट्रस को नहीं जानते, सो तुम उसके बारे में बात मत करो. Giovanni, my poor Giovanni, answered the professor with a calm expression of pity. I know this unfortunate girl far better than you do. You shall hear the truth in respect to the poisoner Repexini. Beta, next page. कहते हैं कि I know more than you, ठीक है, मैं तुमसे ज्यादा जो है वो बीचेस को जानता हूँ. ओके बेटा. So poisoner Repexini and his poisonous daughter, yes, poisonous as she is beautiful, ठीक है, she is poisonous as well as she is beautiful. For you shall not silence me, you can't stop me, you should not stop me. That old story of the Indian woman has become a truth by the deep and deadly science of Repexini and in the person of the beautiful Beatrice. के जो मैंने तुम्हें old prince की story सुनाई है, it is quite true when we talked about poisoner Repexini and in the person of the beautiful Beatrice. के उसकी जो शख्सियत है, उसका जो करेक्टर है, अगर हम उसको देखते हैं beautiful Beatrice को, तो उसमें हमें वही story बेटा नजर आती है. So Giovanni sighed and he hid his face. Sighed means उसने आह भरी. He took a breath and he covered his face. Her father, continued Baglioni, was not prevented means stopped. He was not stopped by natural love from offering up his child. ठीक है, offering up means propose या declare, कि he did not even try to save his child, ठीक है, उसने अपनी बेटी को भी बचाने की कोशिश नहीं की. His child in this terrible manner to his madness for science, means to say he was so much mad for science that he did not take any pity on his daughter, and he also indulged that daughter his daughter in that particular madness of science. For let us do him justice, he is as true a man of science as ever there was. कि वो बहुत ही true meaning, he is quite sincere with his scientific inventions. ठीक है? What then will be your fate? Beyond a doubt, you have been selected as the material of some new experiments. Now he's saying that what will be your fate, Giovanni? You have been selected as the material of some new experiments. Perhaps the result is to be death. Perhaps it is a fate more awful still. Awful mean disgusting. ठीक है, बहुत ही disgusting हो सकती है. Rappaccini, with what he calls the intense interest of science before his eyes, with hesitated nothing to say कि in front of science he will not hesitate while taking your life as well, because उसने अपनी बेटी के साथ इतना जुल्म किया. So what will be you towards him? ठीक है? Okay. It's a dream, said Giovanni to himself. Surely it is a dream. Now he is not believing on Professor Baglioni. He's saying that ये तो तुम्हारा ख्वाब है, ठीक है? It's not a real thing. But, continued the professor, be of good cheer, son of my friend. It is not yet too late to save you. कहता अभी बहुत देर नहीं हुई कि मैं तुम्हें बचा ना सकूं. Possibly we may even succeed in bringing back this fortunate child within the limits of ordinary nature from which her father's madness has separated her. कहता कि हम उसकी जो daughter है बेटा, possibly it is possible that we may even succeed in bringing back, कि हम उसको वापस लेके आ सकें in order to normal life. ठीक है? This unfortunate child within the limit of ordinary nature, जो ordinary nature है, जो common है, ठीक है, उसकी तरफ हम उसको वापस ला सकते हैं. From which her father's madness has separated her, जिसने उसकी father की madness ने, it has separated her from the natural way of living. Okay? So, behold this little silver bottle. It is well worthy to be a love gift to the fairest maid in Italy. कहता है कि जो फेयरेस्ट मेड है, जो मेडन है, जो ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल है इटली में, उसके लिए ये बहुत ही लवली गिफ्ट होगा. But what it contains is most valuable. But what is in this bottle is most valuable. One little drop will make harmless the strongest poison. ठीक है, कि जो एक छोटा सा इसका ड्रॉप है will make harmless the strongest poison जो है उसके लिए इतना harmless होगा. ठीक है, will make harmless बना देगा उस poison को. ठीक है, that is in the beatrice. So doubt not that it will have effect against those of Rappaccini. इसमें Rappaccini कहते हैं कि don't you have any doubt that it wouldn't work against Dr. Rappaccini's scientific invention. Give the bottle and the precious liquid within it to your beatrice and hopefully await the result. Now he's saying that give all these things, this bottle and the liquid that is in it, to your lovely beatrice and wait for the results. Okay? Understand, beta? So next paragraph. Baglioni laid a small, delicately made silver bottle on the table and went away, leaving what he had said to produce its effect upon the young man's soul. अब उसने वो बोतल वहाँ पे रखती वो चला गया और अब वो देखना चाह रहा था लिविंग व्हाट ही हैड सेड के ये देखते हुए इस चीज़ को छोड़ दिया उसने यंग मैन पे कि जो कुछ उसने कहा टू प्रोड्यूस इट्स इफेक्ट अपॉन द यंग मैन सोल कि वो जो यंग मैन है जो जीवनी उस पर कुछ ना कुछ तो इफेक्ट करेगा. ठीक है. वी विल डिफीट Rappaccini yet, thought he smiling to himself as he went down the stage. जैसे ही वो स्टेज की तरफ बढ़ा, ठीक है, सीढ़ियाँ उतरता नीचे गया, उसने सोचा कि we will defeat Rappaccini. हम Rappaccini को हरा देंगे. Throughout Giovanni's whole friendship with Beatrice, he had occasionally, as we have said, felt doubts as to her character. कहते हैं कि जितनी दफा भी वो दोनों की आपस में मीटिंग हुई है, so he didn't feel any doubts about her character. Yet so completely had she made herself felt by him as a simple, natural and most loving creature that the picture now painted by कहते हैं कि उसने अपने आप को इस तरह से उसके सामने प्रेजेंट किया था कि he was considering her the natural, simple, most loving creature that the picture now painted by Professor Baglioni. कि जो उसने अपने आप को इस तरह से उसके सामने प्रूफ कर दिया था उसने बीट्रिस ने कि जो आप पिक्चर बैग्लियोनी बना रहा था बेटा. ओके. प्रोफेसर बैग्लियोनी लुक्ड स्ट्रेंज एंड अनबिलीवेबल कि जो पिक्चर आप बैग्लियोनी ने उसके सामने खींची थी, ठीक है, ऑफ बीट्रिस, इट वाज वेरी स्ट्रेंज एंड अनबिलीवेबल. इट वाज नॉट बिलीवेबल फॉर Giovanni. Okay, but now he was full of doubts. अब वो full of doubts था because he was in between now. He had belief on Beatrice and he starting believing on Professor Baglioni as well. Not that he gave her up, but he did not trust her. अब क्या हुआ कि due to the wording, due to the things that Professor Baglioni said, he was not believing Beatrice anymore. Okay, clear beta? Yes. He decided to make some tests that should satisfy him once and for all. अब वो कुछ टेस्ट करना चाहता था that would satisfy him. ठीक है? Whether she possessed terrible qualities of body and soul. अब चाहे किस तरह उसकी body और soul भी जैसी भी उसकी terrible qualities थी, he just wanted to check it. If he could witness at the distance of a few feet the sudden dying of one fresh and healthful flower in Beatrice's hand, there would be no further question. कहते हैं कि अगर वो देख सकता कि जो है वो एट द डिस्टेंस की कुछ फीट के डिस्टेंस पे एक जो है वो द सडन डाइंग ऑफ वन फ्रेश एंड हेल्थफुल फ्लावर, कि एक जो फ्रेश और हेल्थफुल फ्लावर वो मुरझा सकता है इन बीटर्स हैंड, देयर वुड बी नो फर्दर क्वेश्चन, तो फिर मजीद किसी भी किस्म की क्वेश्चन की गुंजाइश नहीं होगी. विद दिस आइडिया ही हरीड टू बाय सम फ्लावर्स दैट वर फ्रेशली पिक्ड, और उसके बाद जो है वो जल्दी से फ्लावर्स लेने चला जाते हैं जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रेश होते हैं. It was now the customary hour of his daily meeting with Beatrice. Before going down into the garden, Giovanni looked at his figure in the looking glass. As he gazed, he said to himself that his face had never before possessed such healthy color, nor his eyes such light. ठीक है, अब जैसे ही अपने आप को देखता है तो वो देखता है कि उसका जो फेस का कलर है उससे पहले से ज़्यादा हेल्दी है. Before possessed such healthy color, nor his eyes such light. और ना ही उसकी आइज में ऐसी लाइफ थी, ऐसी चमक थी. At last, thought he, her poison has not yet entered into my system. I am no flower to die in her grasp. कि मैं वो फ्लावर नहीं हूँ जो कि उसकी ग्रास्प में, उसकी गिरफ्त में जो है वो मुरझा जाऊँगा. But it was his just thinking, because he had been affected by the poison of beeches and the poisonous plants where they often मैच, ठीक है, जहाँ पे वो रोज़ाना या अक्सर या डेली मिलते थे. सो स्टूडेंट्स, up to 32 we have read, and inshallah tomorrow we will read next pages, and I hope 2 pages are left of this short story, so we'll try to finish it within 1 or 2 days. So students, till tomorrow's lesson, stay blessed and Allah.